atin pong irarank, no? Or ibibigay ko po yung top 5 na sa palagay ko po may malaking chance po kabola na magkakaroon ng pinakamaraming trades dito po sa off-season po ng PBA. And then we will talk about the recent extensions kabola around the league. So mga hindi pa nakasubscribe, pakipindot naman po yung subscription bola. Let's start po with Brandon Roser kabola na binigyan po ng TNT ng 2 years kabola. So of course, I think Brandon Roser kabola is slowly becoming the guy that we think he can be. Kabola. In this Philippine Cup, he averaged 10.6 points, 5.6 rebounds, 1.1 assists, 1.9 blocks. It's legit. Kabola. Although of course, ang number 1 issue ng isang Roser kabola is yung injury niya. Pero sa paningin ko talaga is this modern type of center kabola, di ba? Yung baga naka-focus sa rim protection or shot blocking kabola, who is capable of hitting those 3 kabola, and of course capable din of scoring inside, diba? Modern type of big man kabola ang laruan ng isang Brandon Roser. And if can keep it this up kabola, I do think he can be really special and be a big factor sa future po ng TNT kabola. Ang isa pang big man na nabigyan po ng extension recently is Isaac Go. Nabigyan po siya ng 1-year extension. Of course, I mean, kakawala lang po na isang big man po ng Ginebra na si Malonzo. So, them giving an extension to Go, I think is the right move. Although, ang dami, no? Ang dami po pumatakte. Ang dami mga fans sa Ginebra parang hindi masaya dito kabola. Yeah, I know he's injury prone and I know he's kinda soft for a player kabola. Pero the guy is skilled and of course, gagaling din naman po siya sa injury niya kabola. Now, here was the statement po of Coach Tim Cone regarding po sa departure nga po ni LA Tenorio to Coach Magnolia. Di pala, departure ni Malonzo at LA completa. Na po, it will be additional minutes for Gray, Ralph Co, and etc. kabola. So, of course, yun naman talaga ang initial statement nila. Pero ang anticipation pa rin ng mga fans dyan is that Ginebra will make a move, diba? To add something, a big name, kabola. Although Jeremiah Gray, ito pong si Jason David, kabola, and Ralph Co, they are great players, kabola. Pero I do think na meron pa rin ceiling yung kanila pong talent level, kabola. Pero titignan natin, I think itong mga ganitong klase po kasi ng sitwasyon, dito pinaka na-challenge ang isang Coach Tim Cone, kabola. And I also will not be shocked, no, if he will choose to do minimal moves regarding po the departure of Malonzo and LA. Pero the expectation pa rin is he will make big moves, kabola. Comments muna tayo ng mga fans. Kasali NBA yung Sambuanga? Hindi po. Hasher 9214 yung kagulangan. Abando Juan, malabo magpa-draft mga yan. Si Juan, do not sure. Si Renz, dami niya explanation, kabola. We will see, no? So again, these are just mock draft. Yung anticipation natin, kabola, regarding po the upcoming draft this 2025. Fake news again, sabi ni Ramon Puno again. Kung hindi niyo po alam kung ano po ang mock draft, research din po kayo. Malvar Mariano, magtagalog ka na ng idol, sabi niya dito. Kaya kabola, nagtatagalog naman ako. Now, ito na yung top 5 teams na sa palagay natin, kabola. Top 5 na contenders na palaging magkaroon ng pinakamadaming trades dito po sa off-season na ito. Number 5 natin will be TNT, kabola. I do believe they have a lot of injury issues, kabola. Madaming nangyari dito sa recent season, kabola, to them. They have a lot of all players. I expect them to make moves, kabola, para makonsolidate. Ang dami nilang player ngayon dahil sa dami ng injury nila, kabola. Number 4 natin, Converge. Bakit po Converge? Kasi of course, we expect Governor Delta, kabola, na hindi yan pabanjing-banjing lang. Alam natin yan, kabola, ang estilo niyan. Alam niyang may kulang yung team nila and I do believe they will try to make moves to fill that up, kabola. Number 2 natin, Northport, kabola. So bakit po Northport? We know the role po nila sa PBA. Dalawang teams ng SMC ang nakuhanan po ng players sa International League. Ito pong si Ginebra, kabola, at saka itong si Magnolia. So ang expected natin is that gagamitin po nila si Northport to make some moves. Number 2 natin, Terra Firma, same scenario din po from Northport, of course. Pero I think Terra Firma, mas madami pa nga silang moving parts, kabola. They even have the number 1 pick. They also have the right to Stan Heidinger, even the right to yung dati pong number 1 pick, if you still remember, kabola. So madami silang iba pang moving parts. Kaya number 2 natin sila. Number 1 natin will be Magnolia Hotshots. They have a new head coach in LA. Nag-depart po si Navarro, kabola. So I think they have a lot of reasons to make moves. They also have a lot of old players, kabola. So they may want to get younger. And alam natin yung estilo po ng isang LA Tenorio, malamang traditional yan. He wants active players and of course younger players are more active. Kabala, Magnolia kayang may pinakamaraming moves. Comment na po sa baba.